My name is Anshul Kothari and I am going to explain you the recipe function block which we have developed on the Mitsubishi platform. This function block is dedicatedly and specifically developed on GXWorks 3 software. Let's start with the recipe function block. These are the input variables of the function block. Enable to enable the function block, recipe load button will be used to load the recipe. The show button will show the recipe variables. The save button will use to save the recipe parameters in a specific recipe number, and the copy function will use to copy the variable values from one resource to another source index. These are the output variables which are used to get. Following are the steps to follow. Step 1 is to create a list of parameters in the recipe. To create, go to the structure and create a new structure with the name of recipe, and then in that structure declare all your variables which you want to add in your recipe along with their data type. After creating the variables, step 2 is to create recipe function variables in your global variables. So following are the variables which you like to declare as a variable along with the class and the data type of recipe type. After declaring the variables, the running recipe variable will define the running recipe variables parameter values which is currently running in the machine. The detail setting of the recipe view and recipe HMI defines the addresses of recipe parameter to view and to edit the recipes respectively. Please take care of the autofilling option while defining the variables addresses in the detail settings of the variables. The step 3 will be to call the function block from the function block library and execute the same.